how loud it is over here, guys. The chicken. My chicken are very loud. Why are you guys very loud? And they love the camera. Now they start. Oi, why are you there? Because the camera is there? Is that why you guys go? Went up there? Oi, very loud. Very loud, boys. Very loud, girls. A lot of people can hear you. You should be quiet. Yeah, stay quiet. Oi. Quiet ba? Woo. What's wrong? What's wrong? Your sister is so quiet though. They're just enjoying here. Oh. Sorry. You guys are having fun? Are you guys having fun? You want more bread? Food? Here, more food. Come on. Come down here. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ouch. Ooh. Ouch. Where's my eggs? Where's your eggs? Eat some mama eggs. Guys. Ouch! Ouch! Girl, you're hurting mama. This one you know. You're hurting mama. Be nice. Okay. Ay, 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 ay. Tomorrow, ay later na. Oh my God, you scratched my leg. All good? Are you guys good? Oh, you scratched and then you... Alright, that should be good. Bye-bye, girls. I'm gonna... na. You guys should have fun, yeah? I give you a lot of sawdust today. You guys gonna enjoy your day. The girls will enjoy their day today. Yep, just enjoy your day. Okay, no crying.